In this video we are talking about if Bittorrent is a wealth generating investment or if it's a scam and if we are going to the downside right now. As you can see, we are having this very strong weekly bullish candle. From the down to the top we saw a move about 230%. So this is very crazy. And as you can see, we had this bearish trend all the way with lower highs all the way and lower lows. And now we got this crazy bullish explosion. And if a daily chart looks like this, then I would be very careful, because after this explosion for Bittorrent, then many retailers are entering the market because they are hoping that Bittorrent will increase more in price. And the more retailers are entering the market fast, then the chance is very high that institutions are making profits, because institutions are always winning. And right now there are many people buying Bittorrent because they're hoping they can make money. But after this very quick explosion, I think the chance is high that we can directly see a retracement to even lower levels, or we can see another price increase. But then the chance is high that we can come in the supply zone. And if we see another explosion in the supply zone, then I think the chance is high that we can see a very bearish reaction. Because as I said, the chance is very high if many people are entering the market with this crazy price increases, that institutions push the market to the upside. And if enough people are entering the market right here, then they are bringing their price even higher. And if we are at a very high point, then it's likely that they sell and the market drops very hard. So right now I would be very careful with Bittorrent, because for me the risk is way too high. I want to invest in altcoins that have a very high potential for the long term and the bull run, or I want to have trades with a very good risk reward ratio. But in this case the chance that we are too late if we are buying right now is very high, because the people who are profiting from this price increase entered the market right here and brought it to the upside. And I think the chance is high that they will sell and the price drops very hard. So guys, I would be really careful with Bittorrent, because many people are telling that Bittorrent will be one of the best performing altcoins, and the chance is there that Bittorrent also increases in price. But as I said, this price increase is way too strong for me, and I would be really careful right here, because you are investing with your own money and many people, especially retailers, are losing their money on the crypto market. So guys, please be careful. And if you bought like in this price areas right here or even lower, then it's not a bad decision to take some profits right here, because you made very good gains. And if you're on the sideline right now, I would wait. If we retrace a bit and if we come back into this levels, then I would look for an entry. But right now, as we pumped 230% in 1 week, then I would be very careful with long positions. Especially if we are breaking this last 1 hourly lows right here to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we can see a larger retracement. But right now we are in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. But as I said, please be careful with Bittorrent, because there are also very interesting altcoins on the market, and you don't have to invest in every shitcoin. And for the people who are investing long term on Bittorrent and think that the project has very much potential, then feel free to hodl it. But always after this massive gains, I personally would take some profits, because the chance is high if we see a price increase like this, that we then see also a big reaction to lower levels. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. But if anything interesting happens for Bittorrent, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Bittorrent. So as I said, we saw this crazy price increase to the upside. And always if we see a price increase like this, the chance is high that institutions bought the market and that they will soon sell their profits and that the market goes to the downside, because many retailers bought here some prices to the upside. And as I said, institutions are always profiting, and the chance is high that we see even lower levels. But of course the price increase can continue, and then I would take some profits in this supply zone. So this was it for this video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.